Creating the curbs and sidewalks, you're going to go to Architecture, Floor, and use the rectangle tool to create your sidewalks and the curbs. So I'm just going to repeat those steps. And then you can repeat it again for the bottom too. The curbs we need to offset up 8 inches off the ground. So you're going to click on them and do a height offset of 8 inches. And then we just need to change the material of these. So you're going to click on it, edit type, duplicate rename, curb, and sidewalk. Then you'll go to edit type and change the material. Create a new material, concrete, curb, and sidewalk. And then that will be in concrete, and do the cast in place. And okay. And then all you have to do is change your other floors to match it.